Stocks and the peso are again in a free fall. Losses enter their fifth day. All counters are in the red. The PSE index sheds over 2% more. The 6,000 barrier gave way to push the barometer down to its deepest in 2 years at 5,800 territory. Global recession fears resurface, fueled by speculation that central banks led by the U.S. Federal Reserve will further tighten credit with higher borrowing costs. Investors run to the dollar, their safe haven, to shield them from financial shocks. The Asian Development Bank sounds the alarm. Asia is facing capital flight, which could be abrupt.
Looking at possible vulnerability indicators, we do not have any major concerns, but having said that, clearly the situation is quite dynamic, so we will be monitoring this closely.
The peso courts another all-time low, touching past 59 pesos against the dollar in midday trade, before ending a bit firmer at 58.98. From Japan to South Korea to India to the Philippines, Asian central banks have been moving to save their falling currencies. Some intervene in the spot currency market by selling dollars. Except for the Bank of Japan, the region's monetary authorities raise interest rates, playing catch-up with the Fed. But as they run out of ammunition to defend their currencies, what other tools can they tap? Asia is not new to a currency crisis. 2 decades since the collapse of the Thai baht that spilled over to the rest of Asia, the region has an unfinished business, agreeing on a single currency. Much like the euro of the European Union, the single currency was meant to shield the bloc from foreign exchange fluctuations. It will be years in the making, but should that bid be revived? Asia's major lender weighs in.
This is something, we do need to engage in the ASEAN Plus 3 context, for instance. But what I can say is that, multiple mechanisms or alternatives do need to be looked at, Luis.
The ADB's forecast for Philippine growth and inflation stays where they are because the damage brought about by Typhoon Karding won't make a dent as great as the headwinds from the United States. Lois Calderon, CNN Philippines.